You're watching Mirror 7 News. Stay informed, stay ahead for more news.
Let me walk you through the story of Evergrande, a name that has become almost synonymous with China's real estate crisis. After about 15 years on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, Evergrande has officially been removed from trading. The reason given was that the company no longer met the requirements set by the exchange. But to understand why this is such a big deal, we need to go back a few years. Evergrande was once the crown jewel of China's construction industry. At its peak, the company managed around 300 projects across more than 280 cities in China, spanning residential buildings, commercial spaces, infrastructure, and even ventures into electric vehicles, healthcare, entertainment, and finance. Its founder, Hui Kaiyan, even became one of China's richest men. The company went public in 2009, and for years, it appeared unstoppable. A crack started to appear when the Chinese government introduced stricter regulations on borrowing for property developers. Evergrande had already taken on massive debt to fund its ambitious expansion, and suddenly, liquidity became a huge problem. Projects that had been pre-sold to thousands of buyers were left incomplete, leaving people with homes they had paid for but could not move into. The debt mountain grew to an astonishing $300 billion. By early 2024, a Hong Kong court ordered the liquidation of Evergrande, and the trading of its shares had already been suspended. The company's fall has become a symbol of the broader struggles facing China's real estate sector. The construction industry, which once contributed up to a third of China's economic output, has been battered. Property prices have declined, other developers have faced financial trouble, and the confidence of both investors and consumers has been shaken. The economic ripple effects have been significant. Young people struggle to find jobs, domestic consumption remains weak, and the post-pandemic economic recovery has been slower than expected. Evergrande's downfall is emblematic of these broader challenges, showing how deeply the economy has been affected by the collapse of trust in the property market. Yet, despite this turbulence, there are signs of recovery in other sectors. Chinese stock indices have rebounded recently, fueled by government stimulus, lowered mortgage rates, and policy support for infrastructure and green technology. Tech companies and electric vehicle manufacturers are seeing strong growth, providing some hope for investors. Still, the real estate sector, once the engine of China's growth, remains fragile. Demographic challenges and the looming possibility of new government regulations continue to hang over the market like a cloud. In short, Evergrande's removal from the stock exchange is more than just the end of a company. It's a stark reminder of the vulnerabilities in China's economy, and a signal of how much trust has been lost in one of the world's largest real estate markets. Would you like me to also create a slightly more casual version that feels like a live news commentary? Stay subscribed for more videos.